In order to be a successful student, you need to stay organized. Keeping your Google Drive organized with folders and proper naming will help you find assignments quickly. To begin, open up Google Drive. I like having all of my Google apps in one folder on my iPad so I can easily access all of my work quickly. We'll begin by creating a folder. To do this, press the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner. Press Folder. For me, it's best to write the name of the subject first, with my teacher's name in parentheses. The key to staying organized is coming up with a system and being consistent with that system. Now that all my folders have been created with the subject and then my teacher's name in parentheses, I can look at the folders in various views. In the upper right-hand corner, if you press the grid on the upper side, I can now see all of my folders and my unassigned documents. To move unassigned files into a folder, press the grid view and press the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to move these two documents to my PE folder. Now that I've selected the two I want to move, in the upper right-hand corner I'll press the folder with the arrow icon. I'm now going to move it to my drive and into my PE folder. Some classes might not have a lot of documents, but you might have a lot of photos. To add the photos to your Google Drive, press the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner. Press Upload. Press Photos and Videos, and choose the photos you want to add to your drive. Press Upload. You'll notice how the naming system that automatically gets uploaded isn't what you want, so we want to rename that. Press the three dots in the corner of the file you want to rename. Press Rename. Now I've got a consistent name and I'm able to move it to the proper folder. To personalize your Google Drive, you can even change the color of the folders. To do this, I like looking at the grid view and then changing the color of the folder by pressing the three dots on the right-hand side and change color. Keeping your binder organized is just as important as keeping your Google Drive organized. To begin, you need dividers for every class period. Just like in Google Drive, how you have folders to keep your files organized, you need dividers in your binder to keep your papers organized. You should have no loose papers in your binders. Your dividers are there for a reason, to store all of your papers. Make sure your papers are hole punched and you give yourself time to properly place them in the correct spot. Your binder should not look like this, but it should look like this. Make sure your name, class period, and date are on every paper of yours. This way, in case you lose a paper, it can be returned to you. It would also be helpful to put the due date in highlighter or pen so that it's very clear when an assignment is due. Use the clock app to set reminders for yourself. Press Alarm, press the plus sign, and let's say I know every Monday at 4:30 p.m. I'm going to give myself time to organize my drive. I will repeat this every Monday to help remind myself to stay organized.